Let's address a core problem: the current inefficiency baked into Cobot to tool integration. The promise of collaborative robotics is simplicity and rapid deployment. Yet, the reality often contradicts this. Traditional setups still demand external compute boxes, necessitate complex wiring, and escalate both deployment time and capital expenditure. This is friction we can no longer accept. We are eliminating this friction. Our solution is a structural redesign of the integration process. OnRobot products now connect directly to the tool flange of Techman and Omron TMS series cobots. This innovation provides immediate, tangible value for every engineering team. This update removes the need for external wiring and ancillary hardware. The key benefits are designed to directly impact your KPIs. Elimination of complexity. We remove the external hardware. No more compute boxes. This directly reduces component cost, system complexity, and potential points of failure on the production line. True plug and produce. The quick changer connects directly to the tool flange. That's the physical integration complete. Rapid deployment via TMflow. Installation shifts from a complex sequence to a simple import. You upload the TM-craft components directly into the standard TMflow to software from a USB drive. No proprietary external software is required. Native programming. All configuration and programming are handled entirely within the standard TMflow environment. Tool commands are natively integrated, which simplifies logic development, accelerates troubleshooting, and lowers long-term maintenance costs. This solution is ready for immediate deployment across the SE series platform. It supports all Techman and Omron TMS series models, including the X models, running the required TMflow 2 software. Crucially, the majority of the OnRobot tool portfolio is compatible, including the widely used 2FG7, MG10, and VG10 grippers, provided they meet a minimum firmware version. A practical note: the few high-power tools, such as the Lift 100 or VGP20, will continue to use the compute box, but even their integration is simplified via updated TMflow components. The core principle remains maximized efficiency. This direct connect solution is engineered to minimize non-value-added activities, the time spent on wiring, complex configuration, and troubleshooting external hardware. By simplifying the physical and software layers, we enable faster, cleaner, and more resilient automation. The message is straightforward. Stop engineering around complexity. Implement simplicity. The new Techman/Omron TM tool. Flange connection is available now. Contact our specialists at Automation Distribution for technical specifications and guidance on immediate implementation.